United 1736 Heavy, contact departure, getting.
United 1738, standby. And United 1736 declared emergency at this time. It looks like we've got the rollback on engine number 2, and we're coming right-hand turn 010.
United 1736 Heavy, roger, maintain 10,000.
Maintain 10,000, United 1736.
United 1736 Heavy, maintain 9,000, heading 010 is approved. Contact departure on 126.1, 26.1, they'll get you in.
Okay, 26.1, 9,000, United 1736.
In departure, United 1736, emergency, 8.5, climbing 9,000, heading 010.
United 1736 Heavy, give a departure, radar contact, understand, engine out. Can you make flying a 350 heading?
Engine out, proceeded are 010 for us. I can turn further right if that helps.
Okay, United 1736 Heavy, maintain 9,000, turn right, heading 080.
All right, right turn 080 at 9,000, United 1736.
United 1736 Heavy, understand you're busy right now. When able, let me know fuel remaining and souls.
Yes, sir, we'll let you know, United 1736. United 1736 has 354 souls and 121,000 pounds of fuel on board.
United 1736 Heavy, appreciate that. I'm just going to keep you on this heading for a while. There's nothing out there for you, so just let me know when you have more information for me as far as when you want to come back in and which runway you want.
All right, thanks for the help, United 1736.
United 1736 Heavy, when turning to the south here, turn right, hit at 170.
All right, 170, yeah, thanks for keeping us close, United 1736.
United 1736 Heavy, when you're ready to go, it's going to be runway 26, unless you want something different.
No, 26 sounds great, United 1736 Heavy. Thank you. We're setting it up and making our calls.
United 1736 Heavy, no problem. Take your time. Just let me know when you're ready.
Thank you.
United 1736 Heavy, just verify you said number 2 engine?
Yeah, that's correct. Number 2, we have an exceedance and had to pull it back.
Right.
So it's not completely failed, but we're unable to get any rate of thrust out of it.
United 1736 Heavy, right? United 1736 Heavy, turn right, hit at 260.
260, United 1736 Heavy.
United 1736 Heavy, turn right, hit at 350.
350, United 1736 Heavy.
United 1736 Heavy, do you have a second shot?
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, so we're getting hit by a gust front at the airport right now. We just shut down all arrival routes because we're planning on a lot of go-arounds. There's wind shear alerts on the field right now. The wind is currently 230 at 20. Nothing has hit 26 yet. I just wanted to give you a heads up what we're looking at right now.
Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's just, we'll continue with the checklist, and then once we're all ready to come inbound, we'll give you a call, and then get a current weather update at that time. How's that sound?
Yeah, that sounds great. I just wanted to give you a heads up that it's in the next couple minutes. It's not looking great right now, but I'm just going to keep you right in the vicinity of the 26 localizer so we can get you in a ASCP once you're ready.
All right, that sounds great. I knew it was coming. We're trying to get it done, but it's hard to rush all this.
Understood. United 1736 Heavy, turn right, heading 080.
080 on heading, United 1736 Heavy.
United 1736 Heavy, turn left, heading 350.
Left-hand turn now to 350, United 1736.
United 1736 Heavy, turn left, heading 260.
Left turn 260, United 1736.
United 1736 Heavy, turn left, heading 170.
Left 170, United 1736 Heavy. And United And United 1736 Heavy is ready for the approach.
United 1736 Heavy, roger, heading 170, this is the final for the visual approach runway 26.
Heading 170 to final, clear for visual runway 26, United 1736 Heavy.
United 1736 Heavy, I'm sorry, I had someone else on my ear there. I just want to verify it's expect the visual approach runway 26.
Oh, sorry, expect visual 26, United 1736.
United 1736 Heavy, contact approach 120.8.
20.8, good day, United 1736. Good afternoon, approach, United 1736 Heavy, heading on 1670, and declared emergency at this time.
Air 1736 Heavy, Denver approach time, visual approach runway 26, turn right, heading of 200.
Heading 200, United 1736, plan of visual 26 Heavy.
Air 1736 Heavy, you are welcome, descend and maintain at 8,000.
And descend 8,000, United 1736.
And United 1736 Heavy, the airport is going to be 2 o'clock and 13 miles.
And airport inside, United 1736 Heavy.
Air 1736 Heavy, cleared visual approach runway 26.
Clear for visual 26, United 1736 Heavy.
Air 1736 Heavy, contact tower 132.35.
3235, good day, United 1736 Heavy.
Good day.
And maybe have a fire assessment.
United 1736 Heavy, roger, left at Romeo 8, they're all up on 132.35, that's your frequency as well, so they will coordinate directly with you.
Can you give me a picture?
This is the one you're on, 132.35.
Thank you.